What's the meaning of couple? Couple. Couple.
Couple. Couple. The word couple is most commonly used to refer to two people or things that are paired together or closely associated with one another. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to join or connect two things together. When used in reference to people, it typically implies a romantic or intimate relationship between the two individuals. Additionally, the word can be used to describe an approximate or vague quantity, such as a couple of hours, indicating a small number of hours or 2 hours specifically.